All right, y'all. We back at it again. Getting ready to knock out this little schoolyard basketball court here. They literally have been trying to get this cleaned up for the children for about 10 years. And we gave them a good enough number, if you will, to get it done. Sometimes it ain't all. Sometimes it's not about the money. It's about planting seeds and reaping the benefits from the harvest at some point. And again, this is reaping the benefits of planting good seeds, man. So we're gonna take care of this and get on up out of here, move on to the next thing. I'm also gonna take care of these basketball goals. Actually, probably should be pulled up, repaved, or something, man. But we're gonna do what we do to help out where we can help out, man. Wash on, pros. Oh, I'm doing those stairs as well. Stay tuned.